There is nothing better than coming home from a long day of work and having a massage whenever you want. My name is Kate with WTI, and that is exactly why I love this Snailax wireless massager. It's completely cordless, so after charging it, you can use it just about anywhere without being stuck to an outlet. It has rotating shiatsu massage nodes, and so it really works those tight muscles in your neck, your shoulders, your upper back. There's 2 intensity levels to choose between, depending on how much pressure you want that day. It also has an optional heat setting that adds a really nice soothing warmth, especially when your muscles are extra tense. And it can be used anywhere. I've used this on my lower back, my legs, my feet even, which is really nice. It ends up being way more versatile than just a neck massager. It's really easy controls, very comfortable, easy to charge, and it becomes something that you're gonna reach for all the time, and everyone in the family is gonna wanna get their hands on it. I also like how well made it is. The stitching is great. It's soft, really well constructed. So if you're looking for a new best friend, buy them this. They will love you for it. Or for yourself, spoil yourself a little. You'll be glad you did, and that's my point of view.